Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn conditional formatting. Conditional formatting make it easy to highlight certain values or make particular cell easy to identify. So let's start. As you can see, we have a data of class attendees and we are going to highlight the absent student. First we will select the data. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, format only cell equals to format. We will select the color of our choice in which we want to highlight the students. As we can see, the students are highlighted. Likewise, we can do conditional formatting as per our requirement or data, highlighting numbers lower than or higher than. We will discuss further in detail in our next video. Thank you.